My name is Arib. A few years ago, I started improving myself seriously. I began waking up early. I practiced English daily. I read books. I focused on discipline. Slowly, I noticed changes. My confidence increased. My communication improved. My habits became stronger. People around me also noticed. Some friends appreciated my progress. At first, it felt motivating. But slowly, something changed inside me. I started feeling superior. When I saw others wasting time, I judged them silently. When someone made mistakes in English, I felt more intelligent. Without realizing it, my ego was growing. One day during an English practice session, a new student joined our group. He spoke very slowly. He made many mistakes. While he was speaking, some students laughed quietly. I also smiled a little. After the session, our teacher looked at us seriously. Then he said something that deeply affected me. Never laugh at someone who is trying to improve. The room became silent. He continued, everyone starts somewhere. The person making mistakes today may become better tomorrow. And the person who becomes arrogant stops growing. Those words stayed in my mind. That evening, I thought deeply about my behavior. I remembered my own beginning. I also spoke slowly once. I also made mistakes. I also felt nervous. If people had laughed at me, I would have felt hurt. That realization changed me. The next day, I spoke differently with others. When someone struggled, I encouraged them. When someone asked questions, I helped calmly. And surprisingly, this made me feel stronger inside. Because I understood something important. Real growth creates humility. The more you learn, the more you realize how much you still don't know. Now, I still work hard to improve myself, but I stay humble because success without humility creates ego, and ego quietly destroys growth. Final thought, improve yourself, but stay humble. Never forget your own beginning. Ending line, keep learning English. Keep growing with humility, and always remember, true growth makes you humble, not arrogant.